Hey there, health enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the world of chia seeds and uncovering 10 amazing benefits of eating just 1 tablespoon every day. If you're ready to transform your health, keep watching. Alright, first up, chia seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients. Just 1 tablespoon packs in fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various micronutrients like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. That's a lot of goodness in such a tiny seed. Benefit number 2, they're great for your digestive health. The high fiber content helps keep things moving smoothly through your digestive tract, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. Third, chia seeds can help you stay hydrated. When you soak them in water, they absorb up to 12 times their weight in liquid, forming a gel-like substance. Consuming this gel can help maintain hydration levels, especially during workouts. Next, let's talk about heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds are fantastic for reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and improving cholesterol levels. This means better heart health and a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases. Fifth benefit, they can aid in weight loss. The combination of protein, fiber, and the gel-like consistency of soaked chia seeds can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Perfect for those looking to shed a few pounds. Number 6. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants fight off free radicals in your body, reducing oxidative stress and potentially lowering your risk of chronic diseases. 7th on the list is bone health. Thanks to their high calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus content, chia seeds can help maintain strong and healthy bones. Just 1 tablespoon daily can contribute significantly to your daily mineral requirements. 8th, they're incredibly versatile. You can add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or even bake them into your favorite recipes. This means you can easily incorporate them into your diet without much hassle. Next, chia seeds can boost your energy levels. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber provides a steady release of energy, helping you stay fueled throughout the day. And finally, benefit number 10, they support skin health. The antioxidants, omega-3s, and other nutrients in chia seeds help keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Who doesn't want that? So there you have it. 10 amazing benefits of eating just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds every day. Remember, always consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy!